Yeah, what is up? My name is James, plays games, of course. We are playing, Last Chance, I think it's called. Obviously based off the highly popular, kind of like SMP, is it, I guess? That Green and all that did. But, yeah, I've completely forgotten the rules. And I don't know what I'm doing, so...
Okay, here.
Wait, also Andy, he was just saying like there's one enchanting table at the deep dark.
Oh, he's lying.
Yeah, he's lying. Can I
There's
actually
not
use that one for a second?
Yeah, we can use it, guys. This is for us.
Psst!
This is for all the
Psst!
What are you? James! Oh my god.
Yo!
Hello.
James, come here.
Oh my god, you guys already have armor and stuff?
James.
Oh my god.
We're kind of ahead in ours.
There's so... Oh my god, there's so many cows! Wait, okay, I need to get rid of this.
Hey, no, that's my sword.
No.
Oh, there we go, that's
what do you
better.
mean?
I have turned off all the audio
Dude,
for friendly creatures.
I was using like AudioCraft and like the moves are so loud, like oh my god.
Wait, how many?
Anyway, I'm gonna huh?
James.
Oh yes,
James.
yes.
Iron, here for you.
Oh, thank you, my friend.
This like
It's been like 12 minutes, okay?
Is there a mute button?
What the f
Like
Yeah.
you having to like manually press V and click.
Oh,
You
yeah.
can set it.
I changed my keybind so it's on like my mouse.
what the?
That's genius. Controls,
Is this like-
keybinds.
Oh, it is. I couldn't even see it
Oh,
because my
disable.
shaders.
Can you not see the border?
I got my shaders, but like it was invisible to me.
Oh my gosh.
I only see it in the ocean.
Bro.
There's like the border, there's a corner right there. So.
Yeah, I was trying to mine this tree over here, and I was like, huh?
You see up there?
There's
Yeah.
a tree right here. Don't worry, James. I got you, bro. There's a tree right
Oh my,
here.
no way,
There's a tree
bro.
right
No
here.
way.
got
You're a
you,
lifesaver, man. You're a lifesaver.
Yo.
Actually,
Be suspicious. Yo.
I want to, what do you call it? You know, obviously, build my own stuff. And I don't know why I didn't jump through that. Oh. Evil! Help!
I'm away on holiday and I can't miss another session like you, and
Yeah.
I have to play on my really shit school laptop and I'm getting a maximum of 7 FPS.
That's
It's
crazy.
currently, the
Man.
fans are currently maxed out on it.
Oh, ooh. Like, I might just
You
create
should mine straight down.
straight down. Alright. Alright, fucking bet. I'm mining straight down right now. We're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine.
Yeah, when is mining straight down ever been a problem?
Never.
It's no longer falling into lava, it's falling through a cavern.
Oh. We're falling into.
Let's
Oh.
continue on. We're gonna drown. We're gonna drown. James, come down.
Yeah.
Come through the hole.
Oh. Oh my god. Dude, I don't have any armor. I don't have any armor. Wait, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm stuck in a fucking. Oh my god.
Same.
What have you done to me?
I've improved our chances of survival by -2.
Dude, I have. I only have 2 lives, man. Do we expanding our
Come on,
house?
James, back down we go.
Oh, okay.
Goodbye, James.
Yo,
Psst.
Among Us.
Sussy.
Sussy.
What the fuck? Anyway, I was just passing by.
Ah!
Oh. I was never
Sassy.
here. Sassy mussy.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
He can, okay, Andy, listen though. He
No,
can't even
he's-
see the world border. His texture pack blocks the
Hey!
world border. He's
Stop
trying to
talking
find
about
it.
me.
Hey, how are you guys? This is like your first day, and you're already almost dead, both of you.
Oh, he spawned with 3.
He's
That's one of two.
I was spawned with 2, yeah.
Everything's
You had, like,
glowing. This
how many
shader pack is not.
I had 5 originally. It's kind of base, James.
James.
Holy. The
I'm
world
not.
border is just
Also,
white.
Who just said
James.
hello, hello, hello?
Give the homie a kiss.
Okay, this is weird. I'm leaving.
Oh, there's the skeleton.
Give the homies a
Do
kiss.
you want it? Do you want it? Do you want
Yeah.
it? I'm not
People
doing it.
are having sex. But
Hey, hey,
I
hey.
think we should leave.
I think we
I
should
don't
kill
know what you're
I
talking
think,
about.
okay, Andy, here's the plan. Here's
The birth that's kind of based and cringe. Also, James, look out.
Oh, look, a friend. You come on. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
James, no. James.
Look, are you actually like on the verge of death?
Yeah.
James, take that.
Just
James, take
take some food, like
You're like, you high five me and I'm dead.
I'm fine, I'm fine. Okay, nope, stay away. You stay away. Everyone
my
scatter
best
for
friend.
Boogeyman.
Antoon, I would never hurt you. You are such a homie. You are my good.
I'm not a Boogeyman. Okay,
I
everyone
would
stay
never
back.
hurt you. The Andy,
Back
would I hurt
away.
you? I
James,
literally
are you a
sang
boogeyman?
blitz
From me.
with you. I
Get
literally
away
sang
from me.
blitz with you. I literally sang
Uh,
blitz with you.
James?
I'm getting bored of
Why
watching.
Are you a
would
boogeyman?
James, you really couldn't hurt us if you tried.
I don't trust you.
I'm not a boogeyman.
It'd be funny if both of you were.
Imagine. Okay, I'm gonna start mining for some actual materials so I don't die, because I probably should, get some armor and stuff since I'm, yellow. 2 lives. So I'm gonna do that right now. Try and get some iron and stuff.
Guys,
there's
you're
James.
so
Hi, James.
Hello.
James.
Look at this man. Look at this
Why are
dude.
you so terrible at this game?
Oh, look at this.
Because I
red
don't.
name.
This is
you know
why I
James
only
can
build.
paint.
James.
Oh, yo, what is
Oh.
up?
You can kill each other now.
Woo! Yeah, I suck.
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, also, Kwuartzz, you don't happen to be the boogeyman, do ya?
Oh
No.
god, okay.
The only reason I'm sucking so bad right now is because of my FPS. Yo.
See, I would love to be able to make excuses like that, but I just suck at the video games, so
I
I
mean,
can't.
I
Yeah,
can't
welcome
help
to
that
my
I'm stuck
life.
down south on a shitty laptop.
Wait, where are we? Are we going
Yeah,
over
we
to
just
the?
suck at the game.
Where are we going?
Hey James, James,
Yes,
hey
yes.
James.
Yes.
We should totally murder them all.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Excuse us?
I don't think.
What'd you say? I'm
You
sorry.
were saying that,
Who are the
we
2 people
should-
without any good armor right now?
We were saying that we were
Hey,
saying
you wanna,
we were
you wanna say
saying
that to the entire group?
we were saying that we should get you guys a cup of tea. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
You guys are
lovely.
so nice. Oh my god.
Yeah.
You know what? I
wow,
could
I
go
feel
for
like
a
I
cup
could
of
trust
tea
you
right
with
now.
my life.
Oh, what's up?
Yo.
Andy, surely you give me James a life.
Oh, hell no.
I
Never.
mean, if we're gonna lose it,
Shoot,
like
fine.
after like a minute.
Absolutely not. Exactly. You guys get like confident or something and then lose a life immediately.
I have a song. Hold on, I need a song.
I really hope. I hope that's actually the case. I think that would be pretty funny.
It's true.
Oh my god! Was that you? Was that you, James?
Yeah. That's your content for you.
No!
Oh my.
Oh, Yara, let's go. Yara, let's go.
What a shot.
Kiara, let's go. That's a chat moment.
I'm so adorable.
Dude, I looked away at the wrong time, man.
Dude, why did I leave? That would have been so much content.
Oh, Kiara. Okie dokie.
I
No,
start
no,
axe.
goddamn soft skeleton.
We should all be friends. Except Kwuartzz, because I don't like him.
Wow. The disrespect.
See, I don't trust the red life. No one take any of the following.
Wait, I've got a present. I've got a gift.
My man is stuttering for his life.
Oh, son of a gun. You thought I was gonna say son of a bitch, didn't you?
I gotta.
Serious, I love
Please
you, bro. I
don't
love
kill
you, I'm
me. I'm a
sorry.
gift. I have weird
Thank
scenes.
you. Yeah, evil intact.
What just happened?
Whoa. I didn't pick up any of his items.
Okay,
I don't
okay.
have any items.
Because of the phantoms, Kwuartzz was slow. So Evil started attacking Kwuartzz, trying to get him killed. Kwuartzz then killed Evil. And then Andy killed Kwuartzz, even though he wasn't allowed to.
Okay, where the hell is this big? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! No! 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 No!
James, right here. Okay, here's my plan, James. Right? We're both the only red lives because Evil betrayed me at the last second. Okay.
Yeah.
So my idea is that we team up, right?
I don't think you understand how bad I am at this game and how stressed out I am. Right? The amount of times I've almost died.
Okay, yeah. So it's here.
Oh wait, let me. Oh wait, that's right. I can't run. Give me a second.
The way that you grunted beforehand, you were like, "Oh, I gotta get ready."
It's a real effort.
Alright.
Okay, it's a real effort.
A real struggle to get up here. Okay. You know what's the great thing about being a red? Do not. I lost my first life from falling off of this, so do not go on the edge. I put up these railings for a reason. Don't do it, James. Don't.
I mean,
jump.
it's like it's kind of tempting though, you know. Like, look at those.
Hey,
this is
guys,
nice
should I
and
just punch
green.
him up right now?
Hey,
Yeah. Oh, okay. Don't go that way.
Look, we got a
Go the other
friend.
way, go the other way.
We got a friend. Oh, we got another friend.
We got a lot. We're really popular over here.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, there's so many.
If only it could be like this in real life. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm going inside. I'm going
James,
inside. I'm going inside. I'm going inside.
James, run. Have you guys just abandoned this house?
Basically.
All right, cool. Let's move in, James.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, bye.
I'm gonna sleep
Bye.
here.
Have a great time. I kind of want to kill. I have 2 hearts.
What do you mean?
Oh no, I was talking about
James,
the animals.
don't
I was,
talk until you
I was
know they're
talking about the
gone, James.
animals. I was
Don't
talking,
talk until you
I
know
was
they're
talking about. I was actually talking about the animals that time. Okay. What should we name these
Wow.
these chickens?
What should we name them?
Yeah, we need to name them.
Let's call this one aluminium and let's call this one evil.
All right.
Oh look, they both. Oh dang it! You stole my job.
I had that point first.
You jerk. We're no longer friends, James.
What? You know? Okay. You know what? Guess what? Yeah, that's
Oh
right.
wow.
That's
You
right.
egged all over me, James.
That's right. Oh.
I don't know. I'm gonna go now. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
They really overstayed their welcome, didn't they?
Yep.
I'm still here.
I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about.
You
Okay.
guys just. Oh my god.
James.
Bye.
Okay, I think a good course of action would be for us to go and mine for iron, so we can get some move.
I agree. Okay. Sorry about that.
To get some iron, so we can get some better protection. You know.
Yeah. I'm like a piece of glass that's about to shatter, and like, and then people around me are like trying to keep it safe. That's what I am right now.
That was such a good analogy, though. I like. Yeah, copper is just great. I have a crafting table too, so if we get anything, we can craft here.
Yeah, I also have one.
Well, no need to brag.
Okay, well, I bet you my crafting table is better than yours.
No chance. Have you seen my crafting table? It's already placed down and
Yeah,
everything.
yeah,
I already got
yeah,
it
yeah.
set up.
That's what they all say. But does yours come with a sign?
Your crafting table comes with a sign.
Yeah. Yeah, it does. And
It's pretty lame, honestly. I don't know. That might be a disadvantage to you, honestly.
Wow. I was gonna show you what the sign said on the crafting table, but obviously you're not worthy to even look at my.
No,
crafting
I
table,
want to
so-
see it. I want to see it. I want to see how amazing this sign is.
Okay. I'll put it there for now, right? And
Yes.
the sign.
Put it where it's blocking.
and the sign will go here, and it'll say, Isn't that amazing?
You know, I might go back on what I said. This might be better than my crafting table.
You're damn right.
Do I hear a slide?
There we go. The crafting table is complete.
Let me head back and see it. Sub to James. James plays games with a 0 at the end. Was it not long enough to put the 0? No.
Oh!
Here.
Hi.
Hold on. There's a cave right here.
I think you are lying to me. Never mind. I'm not lying.
Am I now?
Ooh.
Oh, it's
Iron!
Minecraft.
This is the first iron I'm actually mining in this session.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, no way. This is crazy.
Oh, that spider sound. I hate the sound of spiders. you gotta make a pack, like a resource pack with just the sounds that you make for all these.
Oh my god, yes dude, they should actually hire me. They should actually hire me for Minecraft, dude.
There are a bunch of cave spiders up here. Oh
my god,
James,
oh my god.
help! James, help! James, help!
Wait,
oh my god.
wait, okay.
James, hold on. Block this up. Oh my god. Do you have any food?
No.
I'm gonna die to poison, bro.
Uh-oh. I was gonna say that we spend our lives in Minecraft, right? Fighting monsters,
Yeah.
right? When in reality, maybe the real monster was inside of us all along. You know?
Just stick to the voice acting. Don't go down.
Hi,
that
I'm
route.
Sonic, Sonic the Hedgehog.
Oh god.
Like that?
Yeah.
Or I can do a shadow as like, I'm nice and edgy and stuff. I don't know. What am I doing? What am I doing with my life?
Do you have any bones?
No, but I have a bone to pick with you. I was acting. Nope.
There we go. New sign.
Yeah.
Z-cubers. We're Z-cubers.
Cucumbers? Or the
We're the
Z
cucumbers.
cucumbers.
Yeah, the Z-cu. Hold on, I gotta.
The cucumber. Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Whoever
no,
does
you
that in
didn't.
Minecraft should be executed. You know?
For real. So stand still. And Wait, oh, I thought I was like, I did not hit you. I was so
Perfectly
confused.
timed.
Huh.
I say we build a statue to scare people, to know that we mean business.
Are you good on health? You need food? I hear a skeleton, I think. I'm not gonna say it.
I'm keeping the content. You know, the content keeps on coming, you know? Doing it for the content. You know what? I'm gonna give him some. I'm gonna give him some hair. Yeah, I'm gonna give him some hair.
I thought you said some head.
Oh! I mean, if the statue wants it, then I guess I can't really complain.
James.
Dude.
What? Okay.
I've got a chest plate.
Cool. Wow, there are a lot of mobs out there. Do not go out there.
Oh, I got some. I
There's
didn't
a
know
creeper
you
right outside our
invited some
door.
guests over. Let me just.
No, there's a creeper.
Oh,
outside.
I can't,
Oh!
I can't even speak anymore. Hey.
Can you move? That was the most awkward thing. We both just look at each other. Hey.
Do you ever just like binge watch Mr. Bean?
No. Do you? I'm scared that you do.
I mean, it's funny though. He's always like, "Hello, Mr. Spider," and then to like turn off the light before going to bed, he pulls out a gun and then he shoots the light, and then that episode where he's like driving the car from like the roof from the from the top, yeah. You won't understand. You won't understand. This is the most iconic duo, bro. Like, come on.
Bro, we're gonna have so much fan art. Yo, everybody, right now, make so much fan art of
Exactly.
the Reds, the red duo right here. Look at these guys.
Exactly.
Oh, gorgeous.
Hello.
We come in peace. We come in
Piss
peace.
off.
Oh, look at you.
Piss
Where are
off.
your pants?
Why
Where are
you-
your
Piss
pants,
off.
sir?
Yeah, you want to know where my pants are? You want to know? So
Actually,
after
not
Oliver came in and blew up my eardrums, after Oliver came and blew up my eardrums, someone placed lava right at my feet, said sorry the entire time they were burning me alive, but didn't remove the lava before killing me, so all my stuff burned.
So wait, were one of them a boogeyman?
Yes. Sky was another boogeyman. So now no one from that team is allowed here. Because both times one of them were boogeyman and they killed me. It's none of them are allowed. My team.
Go, James! I stole their stuff, James! Go! James,
Okay.
run!
Fair enough.
Run, James! I got a brand new iron sword, baby. Let's
Oh,
go. I got
hell
some lapis.
yeah,
Oh
dude.
God, Kara's right behind us.
Uh-oh.
Kara, you're not allowed to kill us. Kara, you're not allowed to kill us. Bro, it's so beautiful being a red life. You need an iron sword?
Yes, but I've got to get away vehicle. I gotta get away vehicle.
Alright, go. Well, I'm leaving this boat.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this boat with us. Where are these cow noises coming from? And chicken? They're underneath us?
Oh, they're right here. Oh my God. Bro.
Wait. Oh yeah, whoa.
Let him out. Let him free. We should. So, you know how there's only one enchantment table and it's in the deep dark and you're not allowed to move it?
Yeah.
We should go steal it.
I did it again. Okay, I'm cool. I don't need your help. I'm cool.
I think what you can do.
Damn it.
I have a bunch of bones. So I'm gonna just meal everything.
I was gonna be honest. I'm gonna be honest. I was about to make the same bone joke again. Without even realizing. Oh my god. What do you call a skeleton who can't pick a fight? Wait, no, wait. Did I do it right? Wait, the joke. Why didn't the skeleton pick a fight? Because he didn't have the guts.
dark down we go. Playing with James Zero. To the deep dark down we go. Playing with Game Zero.
It should be like a musical, dude. Over here, maybe?
But if you eat. Do not eat. Do not eat. Do not move. Do not move. Oh my god, dude. I think we go. I think we leave.
I'm booking it. I'm booking it.
No, James, do not move, you idiot.
I can't.
No, James, crouch, James. James, I thought we were on a team, James.
The cucumbers is done. We're done.
You just started running. You set it all off. We were. I think how it works is that like, after it goes dark like 3 times or something, you have like 3 strikes, and then he comes
Oh,
out.
and then
We were only on
like
strike
the
2.
warden like actually spawns.
Yeah, I think after strike 2.
Oh,
So
I
I think
thought,
we,
like,
I
it
mean
was
after
all-
strike 3, and we were only on strike 2. I think we had more time.
I thought like the warden was like already spawned, but like I thought it was like deeper down, if that makes sense. That actually could have just killed us, dude. Like, oh my god. That could have been the end of like both of us.
Yeah.
Not
I
looking
think for the
pretty.
next episodes we play it really, really safe,
Yeah.
and just, I mean, like, still get fun content, but just like do it in a way that does not get us killed.
Oh, there's a parrot. There's
There's a parrot?
a parrot. My parrot, yeah. Unless it's already tamed. I think it's already tamed.
I'm gonna kill your bird, whoever's around here, if you don't show yourself. Oh no, it just teleported away.
Oh. Yeah, at least I got the parrot.
I should
the
have set
parrot
it on
back.
fire. Dang it. Wait.
I mean, at least you returned
my
their
God.
pet, right? So that's the thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Do not say anything. That's Heka's, and if they know it's that if they know I hurt Heka's bird, they're gonna kill me. Oh, they're all around it. It's somebody's bird.
Yep, it's a bird.
Is it a bird?
I wonder what they could be talking about.
Yeah. Where are you going?
I need the statue in the shot, you know? Anyway guys, thank you for watching. We met some cool people, made some new friends. Did not expect it to go like this, was very chaotic. Like, subscribe, all of that jazz. Check out these other guys like Kwuartzz and stuff, like they're amazing. Check out their YouTube channels, I'll probably link them in the description. And anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye! Boo! I don't know if that worked, but boo.
Oh, sorry, I did not have my headphones on. What'd you say?
I said boo.
That was such a failed scare. Sorry, that's my bad.